this way. I'll go this way. Gotta pressure wash all these doors and windows. All these doors and windows. I'm gonna do all these. All dirty. That one. I'll do that one. That one. That one. We'll go up. We'll go up. A couple up here. This is the outdoor gym. It's pretty nice. I do these doors. They got mold and stuff on them. I'll do that one as well. Super dirty. I'll ride the bike later. Yeah, this house is big. It takes a little bit of time to get around it, but it's an outdoor kitchen. I had to pressure wash this dirty stuff back here. It's all dirty. I don't even know it's slipping. How dirty it is back here. Gotta get these windows. This back side. That window. That one. And then this. And a little bit of this driveway as well. Not much. Like that part right there. And the front. That's about it.